Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today, as a promise, I'm gonna be doing a budget review from January 2023. Right now, just showing to you guys, ito yung ito yung daily spend ko sa ating daily manager. Okay? Now, here's the calendar view in which makikita ninyo dyan every day and magkano yung na-spend mo. Then there's also a monthly, let's say monthly year, and then total. So we will be talking more about that later on. So now, it will show you guys, this one, it will show you income there. So for the month of January, I've earned 34,600. And then for the expense, it's 31,228. Now, there is a discrepancy, guys, about the 3,372, which hindi ko na kayang o hindi ko na alam i-track kung nasaan na ba ang perang ito. But all I know, I was negative on January 2023 kasi makikita ninyo on the February na I've spent too much because of my daughter's birthday. Now, in the total, guys, right here, there. So, makikita ninyo dyan, there's a total budget, yung excess, yung savings, and all, right there. Yung usual tinitingnan ko talaga, guys, is this one, the stats. There, January. There, okay. Dito ko makikita, guys, under the stats here, that what I've spent the most. So, meron diyang mga percentage na makikita ninyo, which leaves you an idea na ilang porsyento ng income mo ang nagagasto in a particular category. Sorry, now looking at the foods right here, makikita talaga natin that I've spent 7,071. Now, kung gusto nating alamin kung ano yung mga nagasto ko on that food category, I'll just click the amount and I would see, okay, sa grocery, then I have food, eat out allowance, I have coffee, and then fast food. Now, there we go. Then, same thing with the saving and investing. Saving to the sinking funds. So, itong lahat ng savings ito, guys, hindi talaga siya totaling na put up into saving. It was intended for the sinking funds, na which is yung sinking funds is for the birthday of my daughter. So, lahat ng 6,000 na to, guys, itong nakikita natin yan. Yan yung na-spend ko additionally to my daughter's birthday. Then same thing with the personals. If you wanted to know what are those personal, ganun din. So yan, I've spent 4,000. So the top 3, or let's say top 4 na lang, top 4 na malaki yung expenses ko is the foods, saving, personal, transportation, and then so for the transportation, let's see, I spent 2,021 for the gas. Then for the public transportation, it's 1,034. Parking tools. Okay, there. Now, what I'll do is I'll compare. Where would I go? Okay, I'll compare. So for the month of January, supposed to be yung budget ko for the savings, guys. Let's say here, I have already put up a budget on that. Pero, yung nangyari, I've put up 6,000, which is yung excess ko is 1,000, which is not good, because the goal here is to be within the budget. Oops. So next we have the debt. So, in terms of the debt naman, I have a budget of 2K, but, again, I've overspent 730 for the excess. Now, let's say I wanted to know what has been spent here. So, ganun lang. Okay. Next, for the food naman, okay. For the food ha, talagang budgeted ko already. Sorry. Oops. For the foods naman guys, I'm still within my budget. Yung excess is 71 lang. So, I'm within the budget lang talaga sa food. Although malaki yung percentage ng nagasto ko for my foods, but I'm still within the budget. Almost still within the budget. Kasi hindi naman ganyan kalakihan yung excess ko. And then, for the transportation, yung budget ko is 5,000. But, 5,000 ba dapat? 1,500, 3K, 4K lang dapat eh. But still within naman ha. Kasi ito, tingnan nyo. 3,115 lang yung nagasto ko. So, still within the budget pa rin sa transportation. Siguro yung mga excess ko is, let me check. Wala. Okay, I think that's it. Malaki din pala yung na-income ko last month, no? 34,600. Siguro doon lang ako sa birthday ng anak ko. Medyo malaki yung nagasto ko, which is really unexpected and which is not good, guys. So, wag nyo kong tularan, okay? It's not a good thing. You really have to prepare for the birthday of spending such an amount. So, sinking funds still the best way to save up. Okay, so, all I want to see on my next budget, hopefully, is that ganito. Blue dapat, walang red. Okay? So, yan yung goal natin next month. But hopefully, hindi tayo mag-excess ng ating budget. Hopefully lang, guys. So, yan. Thank you so much for walking me through on the budgeting review for my June. I'm not really happy. Still no savings part. This is so sad. So, I'll see you on our next video, which is the cash stuffing na, guys. Bye!